What I'm about to show you is the most mysterious structure in all of Cambodia. This is considered one of the most mysterious, most important structures in the ancient temples of Cambodia. This is very rare, right? Here you can see a box, a mystery box. And where are we? I'm at the Banteay Samre Temple. Even mainstream archaeologists think it is about 900 years old. So it could be much, much older than that. But it's what's inside the box. Why would they put a box in the middle of this ancient temple here, right? Because this practice is very unique to any Hindu temples. Why did they put a box like this? And on the top, you can see a hole. So let's take a look at what's inside this box. At first look, it appears to be empty, but it has some strange stones inside. Let me use my laser light and see how the stones appear in this light. Wow! Look at that. Red stones, rubies. See how they shine and illuminate. Now, let me shine it on this sapphire-like yellow stone. It dazzles when my laser beam hits it, right? Other than the stones, the stone box doesn't have anything else. As I shine the laser beam in different parts, you can see how every stone dazzles. But are they original gemstones placed inside during ancient times? No, they've placed these stones recently, and this box has been restored using concrete. But what was originally found inside the box? This is the biggest mystery of Cambodian history. This information lies behind a veil of secrecy, and most experts refuse to talk about this. The Wikipedia page about this temple completely refrains from even mentioning this box or putting up its picture. When I searched online, it became painfully clear that no archaeological records actually exist about what was found in the box. ChatGPT thought for a long time and told me nothing was found in the box and no archaeological record exists about the contents. However, this box is the single most striking feature of the entire temple. Every day, thousands of visitors from around the world come to see this mysterious stone box. Why? Because of its connection to the Angkor Wat temple. Angkor Wat, the largest temple in the world? How is this box connected to Angkor Wat? Because a similar stone box was found in the underground chamber directly beneath the main tower of Angkor Wat. The stone box at Angkor Wat is not open to viewers today. We cannot even verify its whereabouts. But originally, there was a stone box placed underground, directly under the central tower of Angkor Wat. By the way, I'm going to explore the Angkor Wat temple in March 2026, and you can join me and watch the magical equinox sunrise at Angkor Wat. You can scan this barcode or click the link in the description, and I will also take you to see this mysterious stone box at the Banteay Samre Temple. But why? Why was this stone box placed in this ancient temple? This box was quote-unquote discovered by European archaeologists who immediately thought this was a sarcophagus containing the body of the king who built the temple. But I will let you decide if a human body would even fit inside this box. See my size and compare it with the size of the box. Would I fit into this ancient coffin? Absolutely not. I could be folded up and forced into the box in a fetal position. But why would a great king who built this temple be placed in this weird, cramped position inside a small stone box? If the king can build a huge temple like this with more than 1 million stone blocks, surely he can make himself at least a 6-foot-long coffin, right? Not to mention the very small width. This is just 2 feet wide, which would make it even more difficult. This interpretation that this is a sarcophagus containing the king's body may work in Egyptology, but it completely contradicts Hindu beliefs. See, the Banteay Samre Temple was originally built as a Hindu temple. You can see carvings of Hindu epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata all over the walls of this temple. Dead bodies are not allowed anywhere near Hindu temple premises. It's considered a sin. Even if somebody accidentally passed away inside a Hindu temple, the temple will be closed and ritually cleansed for a few days. So there's no way this was created as a sarcophagus to preserve a mummified body. Plus, the big hole on the top completely defeats the purpose of mummification. An airtight chamber is an absolute requirement to preserve mummies. Through this hole, air, water, and microbes will enter and decompose the body very quickly. So, if this is not a sarcophagal chamber, what is it? Look here at the bottom. There's a hole here, and intuitively, you can understand it is a drain hole, a spout to drain water or some other liquid. This is clear since the hole is positioned at the very bottom and at the very center of its length. So the box must be holding some type of liquid, but it must have also needed periodic draining. Plus, it is designed like a demon. Even after centuries of erosion, you can see a figure with 3 eyes, a nose, and the mouth is open, which is a classic form of Hindu gargoyle-style spouts. They usually spit water through their mouths. But what is the actual purpose of this box? How did they use it? Was it used for some scientific purpose? Did the box have some kind of ancient technology inside? Why would ancient builders place a stone box very close to the main chamber of the temple? Perhaps the answer lies in the main chamber of the temple. This chamber has some strange secrets, but I cannot post it here. I've posted it in the members only section. If you would like to watch that video, please click on the join button below and watch the rest of the video. The members only section has many hours of exclusive esoteric information about various ancient temples. I hope you liked this video. I am PraveenMohan. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.